Alright, welcome back. Okay, this is not going to be a normal video. We're not going to do the intro. We're not doing any of that stuff. I just want to give you guys a quick update on what I've got going on in the shop in RJ Land. Right now I just fixed the winch on red. I've been moving some cars around. We're getting a new shipping container. So I've got to move the shed right there. It needs to go that way at least 16 foot, probably 20 feet, and I need red to do it. But yesterday when I was moving the rock crawler around, as you can see back there, I broke the winch, the little pawl that slides back and forth to do the free spool. It just disintegrated. So over the weekend I put all the pallets on the trailer and got it moved, and the trailer is going to go right next to the fence in between the shipping container and the fence. Right now I'm about to do the Versa, move it. The battery's dead, so it won't start, and this is kind of what prompted this video. Is you can see my little jump box right there. All it is one of those Noco batteries and you know, the jump start cables. So this thing works out great because it's real lightweight. So this is the NLP20, and I just got it on a quick disconnect. Negative line up. There's the light. Oh, I have been working on the boat, so I got some new stuff on it recorded last week. Let's go to the Versa and see if she'll start. Uh-oh. Bad connection. Woo! All right. Now, I haven't talked about this project very much, but I'm going to put all the electronics of this inside my Datsun. So, believe it or not, the way this gauge cluster is the same malfunction. What's malfunction? Is the same dimension as the two gauges that are the two big gauges that are in the Datsun gauge cluster. So it's gonna be cool, and I'll have this fancy Nissan steering wheel. Okay, that malfunction will go away. It's probably because the battery was dead. So anyway, all right, yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick update, and I'll see you guys next time.